Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you all that you need to know about Sui Bison. Okay, some of you have been asking me questions on my WhatsApp, asking me different questions. I cannot answer all the questions that have been asked on my WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm going to make this video to explain everything that you need to know about Sui Bison. Okay, everything that you need to know, ranging from how to register, how to withdraw, how to deposit, all the benefits from this Sui Bison. Okay, first of all, if you want to register, you click on the link below this video. It's going to bring you to your Telegram. Okay, so once it brings you to a Telegram, you're going to click on start. Okay, so once you click on start, you allow it to load. Okay, so once you click on start, it's going to show you hello, your name. That is a Telegram name, launch mini app, as you can see it here. But once it tells you hello blessing or hello your name, registration failed, that means you are going to restart the registration again. You're going to click on that link again. If you didn't register with somebody's referral link, Sui Bison will not recognize you. Okay? Sui Bison will not recognize you. Make sure that your registration didn't fail before you start depositing money into your Sui Bison. Okay? Because some of you will say, I have deposited money, I initialized stake, but your money have not appeared in your dashboard. This is the reason. If you didn't use somebody's referral link, Sui Bison will not recognize you. Okay, so once we are done, we are going to launch the app. So you click on it, then you allow it to load. Okay, so guys, once you open it, you're going to see this fast start bonus. You're going to see this place timing. Okay, you're going to see it is timing. As you can see, my own is remaining 1 hour 41 minutes for you to finish counting. So you need to deposit before this time elapses. Okay, so that you receive fast start bonus. Okay, so that you receive this fast start bonus. So this is a new account that I created that I just want to use and show you how to deposit. Okay, so once you get to this place, you're going to click on deposit. Okay, you click on deposit. So you're going to click here to copy your wallet address. See your wallet address here. So you copy your wallet address. So I already have Sui on my Bybit. So I'm going to my Bybit now to send some Sui to this wallet. So guys, in my funding account, as you can see, I have 1.6 Sui. So I'll be sending 1.5 Sui to that wallet that I copied. Okay, I'll be sending 1.5 Sui. The reason why I'll send 1.5 Sui is if I send 1.5 Sui, they're going to take some of my Sui to purchase Sui Bison token for me. So if I send 1.5 Sui, it's not going to be complete in my dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to send 1.5 now. So if you are sending, actually minimum to send is 1.2 Sui. But I noticed that if you send 1.2 Sui, you're not going to receive the exactly 1.2 Sui in your wallet, and you're not going to receive up to 1 Sui in your wallet, and you need 1 Sui in your wallet. Okay, for you to start earning, you need 1 Sui in your wallet. So I'm sending out the Sui now. I'm going to type my phone password, put Google Authenticator, then I'll confirm. Okay guys, so I have sent 1.5 Sui to my wallet. After 1 minute or 2 minutes, I'll go and check to know if I have actually received it. Make sure that you follow this video step by step. If you don't follow this video step by step and you come to my WhatsApp to ask me questions, I will know that you didn't finish watching this video. Before coming to my WhatsApp to ask me questions, make sure that you watch this video step by step from beginning to the end, because I'm going to explain a lot of things in this video. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I've not received the money. Okay, because Bybit have not even sent it out. So if I receive a mail from Bybit that I have sent out the SU that I withdraw, it's going to appear here. And if I come here and I did not see it, I'm going to click on this deposit, okay? You click on this deposit, then you click on this initialize stake, okay? Then once you click there, your money is going to appear. Okay guys, so while we wait for my money to arrive, let me quickly teach you guys how to earn money in Sui Bison, okay? So assuming that my money have entered, as you can see, they said net ROI 1%, okay? So for the first 5 days, I'll be earning 1% of my money, okay? So for the first 5 days, I'm going to be earning 1% of my deposit, okay? So after another 5 days, I'm going to be earning 1.5% of my deposit. In the next 5 days, I'll be earning 2% of my deposit. So that is how you'll be earning it every 5 days. It will add till 40 days. You now start earning 4% of your deposit, okay? If you have money, deposit a reasonable amount, okay? Deposit a reasonable amount so that you'll be earning a reasonable money as well, okay? So as you are earning this 1%, all the money that you are earning while your account is below 4% is just bonus. The Sui Bison is just dashing you. Your money will start reading once you reach 4%, okay? From this your stake, that is the money that you deposit, you're going to earn 400% of your stake, okay? 400% of your stake. And that 400% of your stake will start counting once you reach 4% here, okay? So anything that you're earning here from below 4% is just a bonus to you, okay? And that 400% will accumulate within 100 days, okay? So, and after that 100 days, they're going to give you the money that you staked back, okay? They're going to give you the money that you staked back. They're going to add it here to your earnings available, then you withdraw. You can withdraw and decide to deposit again, okay? So that is the first step on how to earn. This one is for your stake. In case if you don't want to invite, if you don't want to do anything, you just want to stake and be earning your ROI every day. Just stake and go your way, okay? But if you want to make more money, okay? If you want to make more money, you see this place that I circled now, invite friends. Hey, you need to make use of your link, okay? This invite friends now, how does it work? How does it work? First of all, let me go to my second account. Let me show you something. Okay guys, so this is the first method of earning money, okay? Once you refer someone that staked, okay? Once you refer someone that staked, this place is Global Matrix Pool, okay? As you can see it, if you click on this GMP, Global Matrix Pool, okay? So if you refer one person, each person that you refer is going to give you 2 point something dollar, okay? 2 point something dollar. Each person that you refer is going to give you 2 point something dollar. Imagine when you share your link and refer 20 persons. Imagine when you share your link and refer 50 persons. If you come to this global matrix pool, I'm going to see so many of my team members, okay? Last week, so many of my team members, they were ranking above me. They were ranking above me, and I am happy that they were ranking because they are working very hard, okay? If I go down now, so many of them are here just working so hard. Look at this person now is in my group, okay? This person now is in my group. So many of them, last week they did massively well. This person now is in my group. Last week, this person is in my group. So many of them in my group that they are ranking in this global matrix pool, okay? So if you refer one person, you are going to earn reward, $2 reward when the person fund his or her wallet. This is the first method of earning. when you are inviting someone, when you are promoting this Sui Bison, okay? So, and at the end of this timing here, they're going to pay you this reward, okay? They're going to pay you this, or they're going to send this reward to this your earnings available. Then you can withdraw it to your preferred wallet, okay? So that is the first method of earning when you invite someone, when you promote this Sui Bison. Another way of earning when you promote this Sui Bison is if you refer one person and that person fund his or her wallet, you're going to earn 10% from that person. You are earning till the 5th generation, okay? If I refer you, I'll earn 10% from whatever you staked. If you refer somebody, I'm going to earn 5% from that person that you referred. Imagine when you refer one person and that person have an opportunity to refer somebody that staked $1,000. You are going to earn 10% from the person or 5% from the person. 10% from your first generation, 5% from your second generation, 3% from your third generation, 2% from your fourth generation, and 1% from your fifth generation. And anytime that your referrer withdraws money, you're going to earn percentage from whatever he or she withdraw. Do you understand? This is amazing, right? This is another way of making money in promoting Sui Bison, okay? So guys, another way of making money in this Sui Bison promotion is by ranking, okay? Once you refer 3 direct referrals, okay, you register 3 persons, and those are 3 persons, they were able to gather people, and your total team volume is up to $1,000. If you have up to $1,000 in your team volume, okay, you're going to become a leader, okay? You'll be ranking leader, and you deposit a minimum of $50, and you will start earning $25 weekly. Can you see it? So many people in my group have started earning $25 weekly, $100 weekly. If you're in my WhatsApp group, you see how I'm sharing the testimonies. I've been sharing the testimonies because some of you are sharing it in my inbox. So I've been sharing the testimonies in my group. Some have been earning $250 weekly. Some have been earning $100 weekly. So if you want more money, aside what you earn from the money that you staked, share your link, okay? Promote this Sui Bison. They say that a closed mouth is a closed destiny. You might not know who is going to push you to start earning $100 weekly. Do you understand? So you need to promote Sui Bison if you want to earn more. So here they said Sui Bison token SBT. 10% of deposit withdrawals accumulate SBT, okay? So anytime you deposit money or you withdraw money, they're going to take 10% of your money to purchase SBT, that is Sui Bison token. They're going to be purchasing Sui Bison token for you. So they say deposit/withdrawal. They said minimum deposit is 1 Sui. Minimum withdrawal is 1 Sui. Like I said earlier in this deposit, don't deposit 1 Sui. If you deposit 1 Sui, it's not 1 Sui that you're going to receive. And minimum you can have in your dashboard is 1 Sui. So if you want to deposit like 1.5 Sui, because they're going to use 10% and buy token for you. Okay, they said withdrawal distribution. So if you accumulate your withdrawal money and you want to withdraw, 60% of your money is going to your wallet. If I want to withdraw now to my Bybit, to my Bitgate, or to Sui wallet, 60% is going to my wallet, okay? And 20% they're going to restake it. That is, they're going to deposit it, okay? Then 10% they're going to take 10% of my money to buy the Sui Bison token for me. Then 10% here is going for global pool. I hope you understand how it works. Anytime you want to refer somebody, share your link with your team members, and this my video, you can share the link with them for them to watch the video, okay? So that they will understand it as well. So guys, if you come back to your dashboard, if you click on this token, you see the token that you're accumulating, okay? You see the ones that I have accumulated, 4,057.51 token. And the total supply is just 100 million. So this token will be listing in third quarter of this year, 2025. Do you understand? So this is another way of giving a drop. Do you understand? This is another way of giving a drop. So make sure that you are accumulating this token. Okay. Okay, guys. So remember what I said though. That's 3% here. Like all the money that I've been earning since 1% to 3.5%, they are just free. Bonus. My 400% will start counting once I reach 4%, okay? And at the end of 100 days, they're going to give me all the money that I stake. They're going to put it here in my earnings available. Then I will withdraw it, okay? And I will decide to stake back if I want. Once you register, you come here on this network, okay? You click on this network. Make sure that you are seeing the person that referred you, referred by. Okay, make sure that you are seeing the name of the person that referred you. If you're not seeing the name of the person that referred you, that means the system will not recognize you. Okay, so guys, as you can see, that's 1.5 SU that I deposited. I have seen it here. Okay, it has appeared in my dashboard after like 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see what I have here, 1.3 SU. That's why I say you should not just deposit 1.2 SU. You should deposit 1.5 SU. Okay, so if you click on this token now, you see that they used 0.2 SU to buy me their native token. As you can see it here. Okay, so I'm going to be withdrawing this 3.3 SU that is here. I'm going to be withdrawing it now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay, so once I click on withdraw and paste my wallet address, they're going to take 60% and send to the address that I'm going to put here. They will take 20% and stake it here. They will take 10% and buy token for me. Okay, and they will take 10% and add it to global matrix pool. Do you understand it now? So that is how it is done. For those of you that is asking me some questions on my WhatsApp, I believe that I have answered all your questions. Okay, if there is any update, I'll still make a video and update you guys. Okay, so make sure that you follow this video step by step. Watch it from the beginning to the end. Okay, so we have come to an end of my video. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on it, join my WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving updates. See you in my next video.